In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Reddit. Whether you're sharing a funny clip, a music video, or an insightful tutorial, embedding videos can enhance your posts and spark conversation among users. So let's dive in and make your Reddit posts more engaging with a simple yet effective method to embed YouTube videos directly. First, open your web browser and navigate to YouTube. Search for the video you'd like to share on Reddit. Once you've found the video, click on it to open its page. Below the video, you'll notice several options, but the one we're interested in here is labeled as Share. Click on that, and a new section will unfold, presenting multiple ways to share. Among these options, select Copy, which will copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Next, head over to Reddit. In your browser, either type in the URL for Reddit or use your preferred method to access the site. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so to post content. Once logged in, find the community or subreddit where you want to share your video. Make sure to choose a subreddit that aligns with the video's content to ensure it reaches the right audience. Now it's time to create your post. On the subreddit page, look for a button or link that says something like Create Post or Submit a New Post. Click on that to begin. You'll be presented with different post types, and while you may be tempted to select video, you'll want to create a text post instead. This approach might seem odd at first, but it'll help us better embed the video. In the text post interface, you'll see a title field and a body field. Start by filling out the title field according to Reddit's rules, keeping it catchy and relevant. A well-crafted title can make a significant difference in drawing viewers' interest, so give it some thought. Moving on to the body of the post, paste the YouTube URL from your clipboard. The link will automatically transform and display a preview of the video. This is the embedding process in action. Take a moment to add some context or your thoughts about the video in the body of your post. Offering viewers a glimpse of why you're sharing this video or what it means to you can enrich their experience and foster discussion in the comments. Once everything looks good, hit the Post or Submit button, and your video will be live on Reddit. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to embedding a YouTube video on Reddit. By sharing video content effectively, you can engage with fellow Redditors and bring more vibrant discussions to your favorite communities. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, or share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!